later than me.
As you can tell, I'm gonna be changing my oil in my apartment garage, which is already pretty hard because I'm not that small of a guy and I could barely fit in here. Like, I'm not sure if you guys know, but when you do an oil change on the 370s, you don't have to take off this whole under shroud thing that has like 16 bolts. You literally could just take off the top, however many bolts there is, and you can just fold it. I'm gonna show you guys, but you can just fold it down and drain the oil like that. So hopefully everything goes smoothly and I can just get this over with. These are such a pain in the ass to take off. Like, I just feel like running no shroud, but then the engine bay will get dirty, so don't want that. This isn't gonna be a how-to, just because there's a million videos on how to change your oil on a 370, so. You can see you can fold this flat back. All there is 4 bolts up top, and it'll save you a lot of time instead of taking all of them out, and it'll give you access to the oil pan and the oil filter, which make things a lot easier. So let me unplug the oil and let it drain. I believe it's a 14. So get that. Yep. So 14 mil, then you get your wrench. Yo, this is why you need a lift. But you gotta do what you gotta do. What the f? Hopefully no one comes over here and kicks me out. Finally got it. I gotta loose. I gotta loose, boys. I gotta loose, boys. Or girl. What the fuck? This oil's not gonna be hot, so. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that oil is so nasty, bro. We're just gonna let that drain. Shouldn't take that long, but. Hi, Rye. So I finally finished draining my oil. The oil filter took forever to take off just because there's no room to work down there. But I got it done, and I'm done. I can move on to this, and then I got to filter it in. I'm getting oil all over me. No. I'm about to take a shower, then work out. So I bought the Z1 so I can focus. I'm gonna use that instead of this old one because this one's pretty old and crusty. It's spilling. Alright. Finally tightened up the oil filter. Now, I don't know where it's at. With the 14 mil. It says to torque down 17 foot-pounds, but I don't want to use my torque wrench down here. But I do have to use that for. Okay. Should be good. We should be good. Put the oil. See you guys up top. Almost done. I should be done. The transmission fluid next. Shouldn't take that long. Pretty easy. The only thing that would take forever would be pumping it back into the transmission. This is why I need a house and my own garage, because I can just work in peace and not have to deal with cars driving by or having limited space like a parking spot. So I'm done with the oil change. Next is going to be the transmission fluid, and I'm going to be using the MT-85 from Redline. I read on all the forums and they said this is the best one for the transmission. You need 3 of these, and I bought them on Z1 for I think $12 each, so it's not bad. Let's do it. So onto the transmission. Loosen the fill plug first, then the drain plug, and let the fluid drain. Once it drains, you'll fill it back up using the fill plug. You'll plug this up first and then fill it up. So let's see if I can loosen that. So to loosen the fill plug, you're gonna use a 10 mil hex, I believe, socket. I'm gonna plug that right in there. 10. Yep, so the 10 mil. And let's see if we can loosen it. I get some leverage right here. Ah, got it. Oh, I thought it snapped. So once you loosen that, loosen the drain bolt. Whoa, got it. This isn't too bad. This is faster than the oil filter for sure. Apparently this fluid stinks. Yeah. Ooh yeah. The fluid is still pretty clear. I don't know. Ooh yeah, this stinks. Ooh. Then you can take off the fill plug, so it can air out. And yeah, that's the fill plug. So you're supposed to change your transmission fluid every 50,000 miles. I was at 51, so it was due. So I had to do what I had to do. Even if it's doing it in my apartment garage. I'm getting like oil all over me. So I'm gonna let this drain and I'll catch you guys when I refill it. Fill up the transmission again. I bought this on Amazon. I forgot how much I bought it for, but I bought it in Tampa because I was gonna do it over there. But you should just be able to get your transmission fluid and screw it on, hopefully. I haven't tried it yet, so never mind, it works. So you should be able to just put that on, screw it on, or not screw it on, but I think I need to add the shit off. Add this on. Didn't screw on, but it does go in, and you'll just put this in the fill plug and pump it in until you're done with all three. So once it's done draining, just wipe it down a little bit. I don't even know where the drain plug. You'll put the drain plug back in, and we're gonna torque it. We're gonna torque it down to 25 foot-pounds, but for right now, we're just gonna get it snug enough so it doesn't come out when we fill it up. It's nice and snug, and through the fill plug. I got it. I'm gonna put it in here, and you're just gonna pump. So I finished with the first one. Everything's pretty much out of the bottle. Babe, could you reach me the other two and take off the thing? It's the 85, MT-85. You got it?
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
You lucky we live.
Yeah, otherwise you beat me.
Shut up.
I'm kidding, he doesn't.
On to the second one. On to the third one, last one. The battery's about to die, so I gotta back up in the car. I'll catch you guys when I finish this one, because my fingers are killing me. So I'm finished pumping the last one. It's dripping out, so that means it's pretty much full. I'm just gonna clean it off. Make sure it's clean. Clean that off. Then you're gonna put in the fill plug right in there, and then you're gonna get your torque wrench and torque it down to 25 for both the fill and the drain. Alright, so you're gonna get your torque wrench, get the same hex socket. It down to 25 and it should just click right there. Good. That's 25, and then this one is also 25. Who, me? Yeah. 25.
25.
Pretty good. I'm done with this. Let me just clean this up a little bit. Now I'm gonna try to do the diff fluid. Should be the same thing and then much quicker. It's 2 bottles of MT-90, I believe. I have to double check, but I'll let you guys know. So for the diff, it's towards the rear of the car. The drain bolt is right here, this bolt right here, and then the drain bolt right behind here. That's gonna be hard to get just because there's no room in there, but we'll see what we can do. So it's just like the transmission fluid. You're gonna remove the fill bolt, or loosen up the fill bolt first, and then the drain, just so you can make sure you can refill it when you do. It should be the same, a 10 mil. I don't even know if I can get to it, honestly. So I'm pretty sure I cannot get this one. It's so rusted on, I can't even put the bolt in and turn it. I might have even stripped it, so I might have to get that done by Nissan, which sucks because I would rather do it here and save money and not have to go to the dealership and pay an arm and a leg, but there's nothing I can do, so yeah, we're done. I think I'm done. At least I did my oil, I did the transmission. The only thing left is the differential, but I can't do nothing about it now. So if you guys liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I have to go to AutoZone and take that oil and dispose of it, so I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.